For this JavaScript tutorial, we're going to be talking about loops, more specifically, the do-while loop. Now, the do-while loop is very similar to a while loop. So, if we look at this one, it goes from 0 to 9, and then when it gets to 10, this is false. So then it'll skip all this and it'll continue with my code. So, a do-while loop, we move the while portion after the closing brace or bracket, and we put a do in the front here. So now if we run this code, exactly the same thing. So then the question is, why would we ever want to do something like this? So the difference is, let me just go back here for a moment. If I change this to 30 and I run this code, all it does is say greater than 10. So this code never actually runs because this is never true. And then it just continues on with the code. But if I change this to a do-while loop, it actually runs this code and then it increments it and then it'll check. And then if this is true, then it'll come back up here and do this again. But if it's false, it'll just continue with the code. So that's the difference between a while loop and a do-while. A do-while always runs at least once. A while loop never has to run at all.